Radhe Radhe. So everybody is fine today? Good? Wow. Today we are very lucky that we came here in our Srimad Bhagavatam class. Okay? Everybody knows English? Very good. English? Okay, very good. So Srimad Bhagavatam, it's not a special book. Everybody is telling it is just a holy book, but it is not a holy book. This is called Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Here you can see Bhagavata Gita. What is the meaning of this sentence? Bha. There are 4 words is there inside that sentence, holy sentence. Bhagavat Gita or Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam indicated to the God whole life. The God's whole life. Like whatever God's did from the past, whatever our Krishna, God is Krishna. Brahma told Ishvara Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraho, Anadi Radhi Govindam, Sarva Karana Karanam. Originally God is one person, his name is Krishna. And he is looking a very beautiful and very special person. And he can do anything. And whatever happening in this world, everything is Krishna is the main reason. Whatever happening, every day's activity in front of us, whatever happening, everything is Krishna's wish. Krishna is the main reason for this purpose. So, if a persons are thinking, oh my God, my life is totally now dangerous situations, what I can do? So he no need to do nothing. He just concentrate on Krishna. Whenever our mind will not work properly, lots of tension, lots of worried will come in front of us. What we have to do? We no need to do nothing. We have to stop to our thinking. Everything we have to put on our Krishna's lotus feet. So after what we will see, every problem would be automatically shot out. We also don't know. Tell Radhe Radhe. This is our Radharani's and Krishna's main secret sentence. So Bhagavatam, what is that? Bhagavatam is a special book inside written Krishna's all life story. Whatever Krishna did, who is Krishna, how Krishna born, every time Krishna doing different types of activities, everything, all descriptions is written in Srimad Bhagavatam. But the question is, what is Srimad Bhagavad Gita? Bhagavad Gita is that book, which book inside whatever Krishna is telling to his devotee, how we have to survive in this sadness world, in this problem world. This world is called problem world. Wherever you go, everywhere is problem. Problem is like your friend. If anybody is making friendship with you or not, that doesn't matter, but problem will do friendship with you, 110% sure. So, how to survive our life in the problem, that is Krishna told to us by Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Every shlok we can read in that. If anybody is reading a simple, a one sentence only in that shloka, then automatically his sound, his mouth is becoming a spiritual mouth. Like became very powerful mouth. So whatever telling, everything is coming like a true. Whatever telling. This is the power of this holy book. Lots of the persons are telling what is Bhagavat. So Bhagavatam or Bhagavat, inside 4 words is there. Bha plus Ga, Ba and Ta. Bha means what? Bha means in Hindi it's called Bhakti Dene Wala. Bhakti means the devotions. which book if we are reading, then that book is giving us the devotions. That is called Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Va, the meaning is devotions, bhakti. Ga, Ga means the Gyan dene wala. It means which books are giving lots of knowledge to us. Gyan meaning the knowledge. So if anybody doing friendship with the pupil is giving too much problem to him. But if anybody doing friendship with that Bhagavad Gita, then he will get the 4 profit. First, he will get the devotions. Second number, he will get the knowledge. And third number, Bhagava. Ba means Boiragyo. Like, Boiragyo means, like, as you can say, destroying the attractions. For example, if you are staying in this world, then automatically you can see your mind is running for different materials attraction purpose. For example, we saw a beautiful mobile, somebody calling handy. We saw a very costly handy. We are thinking, oh my God, if I am getting that handy, if I am buying that handy, I think I would be totally full happy. For example, we saw a beautiful car. So if we are thinking, wow, if I have that car, then automatically I think I would be more happy. So car, handy, it is just a material things. For example, if we are buying that handy, then automatically after few times, automatically our interest would be destroyed on that. If we are buying a new car, then after few times we will see our interest is not like that. Our mind again will tell we need something new, we need something more. It means what? We cannot get satisfactions on the material world, on the material things. So if anybody doing friendship with the Bhagavad Gita or the Bhagavatam, then automatically all expectations would be destroyed. That is called Vairagya in Hindi. Like, we don't have any attractions on any material things. So if anybody doing friendship with Bhagavad Gita, then his all attraction will go to on our Krishna's lotus feet. You tell Radhe, Radhe. So Bhagavata, ta yani ki live, tag means live. For example, if we are doing friendship with our Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then automatically all types of thought, all types of disease, all types of bad things will go out from our life. We will become totally a pure butter. Butter means butter. Butter in Deutsch it's called. You know English? Very good. So butter, we saw our Krishna is stealing butter from the gopis. You know, everybody in Vrindavan, you went, I think, Vrindavan, right? Very good. In Vrindavan, you listen, Krishna is stealing butter from the gopis. So the point is, why butter? Why not milk? Sometimes Krishna is stealing butter. But butter is stealing, okay, I understand butter is very tasty. But why Krishna don't like milk? So gopis are told, like butter inside everybody is like a milk. So milk is coming from the cow, that is okay. But butter is totally as a purification from the milk. Butter is coming from the milk after lots of purifying happening inside. After that butter is coming. So whenever a person is coming in Krishna consciousness, they are staying like a milk. But Krishna is giving different types of problem to that person. Like he can become like a purify, like a butter. And when that person will become like a butter, suddenly Krishna will steal him. Okay? That's why Krishna is stealing butter. Butter means purify. Our Krishna is very kindness. What types of kindness he is? Actually, he is fulfilling every devotee's wish. For example, our Gopalji, this is our called Laddu Gopal. You can see a little Gopal is sitting here with us. He came from Brindaban, Barshana, and he is very kindness person. How? A devotee was there in India. He was a bank employee. Actually, I was working in State Bank of India before. It was a government bank. So in our office, one staff was there. She was a woman. She was a bank cashier, and I was a manager. So she worked under me. At that time, actually, I am a devotee. She knows. So sometime we are discussing about our Krishna consciousness devotional life. She also was a big devotee. She was in Bangalore. So one day she is discussing about me. It has happened few days ago. It is a true story. So that staff, she working in the State Bank of India, and she one day thinking she has a Gopal, Laddu Gopal, little Laddu Gopal she had. And she is thinking, I have a Laddu Gopal, but I don't have any bed for sleeping purpose. Like she need to put, like we are putting on the bed at night time, but she was very busy because she is working too much in the bank. That's why she is thinking, I have Laddu Gopal, but I don't have. Sardar Sir is putting Gopalji on the bed, but I cannot do that. Oh my God, how can I take a bed? But in Bangalore, problem is there everywhere that bed is not available. Gopalji's a special bed, because I brought from the Brindaban, but another place is not available. Gopalji's little bed. So he is searching in the online, but he did not get his choice. So she is thinking, I want to prepare by ordering, like she will give the order to a person and he will make for her. But problem is that whenever she told to others person for preparing a nice bed, but they are not ready to make that bed. So she told to her husband, like, I had Laddu Gopal and I want to prepare the lovely bed. So her husband was a bank manager in another bank in India. It's Punjab National Bank, another bank, not a government, it is a non-government bank. Nationalized bank it's called. So he was a manager of that bank, branch manager he was. So he is thinking, when he went to the office, he is thinking that my wife told she need to give a lovely bed to our Gopalji. But I wanted to prepare, but nobody is ready to make that bed. What can I do? What can I do? He is thinking at that moment. And suddenly a customer came inside that branch, inside that office. That customer first time came there. That branch manager never saw before to that customer. So that person came and told, sir, I need a loan. Like bank loan, credit, some money. So he told, okay, what is your job? So that person told, I am preparing, I am working for a wood. Like we can prepare different types of things, like bed, like different types of chair, I can prepare. That man told to that branch manager. So that branch manager thinking, wow, that is very good idea. So I have a request for you. That man told what? He told, I have a little Gopal, Laddu Gopal we have. For his purpose, I need to prepare a lovely bed. Can you prepare it for me? He told, yes, of course I can prepare. Then okay, you give me 2 days time. After 2 days, I will take. He told, okay, very good. After listening, that man went. But problem is that after 2 days, that branch manager was holiday. He was in holiday. He did not came to the office. But that man came. That man prepared a lovely bed. Same bed which is that woman thought in her mind. Same bed he prepared by his own. And came to the office branch and gives on the receptions. The receptionist was there. So he gives to that reception man and he came out. And never he went in that bank again. So next day that branch manager came. Suddenly that reception person told, sir, I have a parcel for you. What? that little bed. You order, that bed is came. So that man is thinking, who gives that? He told that man gives, and suddenly he went. But again he never came back again. Suddenly he is thinking, oh my God, he came for loan purpose, but he did not took any loan, but he gave that same bed which is my wife thought. Suddenly that man was shocked. Oh my God, what I have to do now? Now he went to the home and gave the same bed to his husband in his wife's hand. Suddenly his wife thinking, oh my God, same bed I thought in my brain and same bed is there on my hand now. Wow, what a kindness of our Gopalji. But that man is thinking, who was that person who prepared that bed? Because he did not came again. Continuously 3 months that man searched different place who is working for the wood. But nobody told, no, I don't know him. End of the time he is thinking, oh my God, I think originally Krishna came on this look, on this form and gave that bed to me. Okay. So this is our Laddu Gopal. However he will do play with the devotee cannot understand. If he need to understand, then he has to take the support from Bhagavad Gita. Then he can understand that how much important is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And Krishna is kindness, I agree with that. But sometime I am thinking, our Radharani is more kindness than Krishna. This thought is coming in my mind. Because I am a devotee and I am chanting Krishna's name. But sometimes Krishna is not listening to me. But sometimes I am chanting Radharani's name, very little. But whenever I am chanting, Radharani is giving bliss to me. So this purpose I understand, Radharani is more kindness than Krishna. Shukadeva Goswami also told as the same sentence in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. What? Now, Shukadeva Goswami was a little bird before life, and that bird was Radharani's bird. So that Shukadeva Goswami, that bird, as a bird, he can talk. Some bird you can see is talking like a human being. So that bird is talking Radhe, 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 like this way. And Radharani one day told to Shukadeva Goswami, hey Shukadeva Goswami, can you stop to chant Radha Radha name? Can you start to chant Krishna Krishna name? Then I would be more happy. So bird told, okay, I will start to chant Krishna Krishna name. And now the bird is started to chant Krishna 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 Krishna. But Krishna was there in Vrindavan. In Vrindavan one place is there. It's called Nandagram, Nanda village, where Krishna in childhood days Krishna was there. So bird is chanting Krishna's name in Barsana at Radharani's place, but Krishna is listening from the Nandagram. Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Krishna was shocked. Huh? Who is chanting my name? And suddenly Krishna came in front of that bird and told, hey bird, why you are chanting my name? Because a special power Krishna had, which is a human being don't have. If Krishna is staying here as a Vigraha, but Krishna if want, he can go anywhere in the world in a second. Like our eyes, we are closing sometime, you can see. In 1 second, 10,000 divided you have to do. Then how much time will come? That much time is taking, only one time closing our eyes like this. So less than this time Krishna can go anywhere in the galaxy, whole galaxy, suddenly in a second. Krishna's original is sitting here, but Krishna can go anywhere. But what is there but another from Krishna can visit another place like this. So suddenly Krishna came in front of that bird and told, hey bird, Shuk, that bird name was Shuk. It's like a blue color, green color bird, one type of is toot, too is like a giving sound that. So that bird can talk with a human being, and that bird was always staying with Radharani. So Krishna told to that bird, hey bird, why you are taking my name? Krishna, Krishna, don't take, I am not feeling happy. But if you are taking my Radharani's name as like you did before, I am feeling very happy. So from today, you start to take Radhe 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 name. I would be always with you, don't worry. I love to listen Radhe 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 name. So bird told, okay, if my Radharani giving permission, I will take Radharani's name. Suddenly, that bird started to chant nearby Radharani's home at the morning time. Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Suddenly Radharani was there and came outside and told to that bird, hey bird, why you are taking my name? I told you don't take my name. So bird told, no, Krishna came here and told Krishna don't like to listen Krishna, 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 Krishna name. And he like only Radhe, 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 Radhe name. That's why I am taking your name. Radharani told, Acha, Krishna came. Okay, then from today, if Krishna is getting happy by chanting Radharani's name, I need Krishna's happiness. So you can chant Radhe, Radhe name. So please you tell Radha Rani ki jai, Maharani ki jai, Gaur Nitai Premanande, Hari Hari Bolo. So Radha Rani's name is not a simple name. It is a mantra, secret transcendental sound. Radha Rani is a mantra, like power. In Chaitanya Chaitamrita, you can see 5 a special person is there. Sri Chaitanya Nityananda, Sri Advaita, Sri Gadadhar, Sri Vas Adi Gaur Bhakta Brindo. Sri Chaitanya, we chant also before. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhar, Sri Vas Adi Gaur Bhakta Brindo. This is 5 different part of the devotions. 5. Sri Chaitanya is the secret person in the whole galaxy, that is Krishna originally. Gadadhar was the power, that is Radharani. Srivas was the Narada Muni. Advaita Acharya and different person was there. So as you can see that in Kali Yuga, Krishna came with his all power, because Srivas Pandit was a person who is the Narada Muni's Sharupa, like Narada Muni's form. So Narada Muni is not a simple person, he was a devotion like Bhakti. Because Narada Muni, his life he spent for Krishna's purpose. All the time he is chanting Krishna's name. And different person, whenever Narada Muni meeting with someone else, he is giving Krishna to him. That's why today we got that Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is only for Narada Muni purpose. That Bhagavatam came in our life. This is also Narada Muni's purpose. Without Narada Muni's bless, today we cannot listen Krishna's informations. And we came together here, we are listening Srimad Bhagavatam. This is also Narada Muni's special blessing. And lots of the people we know, they are spending his time in different way. But this timing is not calculating in the good way. But if anybody in a second giving the time for in that Krishna consciousness by listening Krishna's informations, then his millions of life, not only him, his all family, 25 generations, is totally Krishna taking caring by nice way, and end of the time Krishna taking him to Krishna's place. It's called Goloka Dham. Okay, and his lives to life, all sins is destroying in a second. Whenever he is thinking, I have to go in that Harikatha, wherever Srimad Bhagavatam happening, that's all. His lives to life, all sins is destroying in a second. And he is becoming like a pure person. And suddenly Krishna is coming to his heart and staying nice way. And if anybody doing Krishna's devotee's devotional service, like a devotee is there and a person is doing devotional service to Krishna's devotee, then Krishna is going more and more happy on that person, and his all wishes Krishna fulfilling in personally. As like one of the person was there in India, he was a thieves like stealing lots of different things from another person. And you know, Krishna, in front of Krishna everybody is same, like thieves also same, devotee also same, there is no difference. So a thief was there, he was a kidnapper meaning, for example, at that before like 50 years ago, at that time travel facility was not there in India too much. Now lots of travel facility, good facility is there, but before travel facility is not available at that moment. People are going a place to another place by walk. Okay, so one forest was there. Inside that forest, that kidnapper was waiting for the pupil. Whenever pupil will come, and he will kidnap everything. He will take from him everything like gold, diamond, money, whatever he has, everything he will take. Like this types of mentality person he was. So one day he is taking everything from the pupil, but whatever he is taking, he is not spending for his personal purpose. No, he is inviting to lots of Krishna's devotee, and he is buying lots of the fooding material and cooking nice way and offering to Krishna's devotee. His duty is that he will steal from another person money, etc., whatever he has, and he will go to the market, he will buy different types of food, and he will invite to Krishna's devotee and offer to Krishna's devotee, and chanting, and he will chant to Krishna's name, kirtan, like every day his duty is. One day what happened? One day he is sitting on the forest, but on that day nobody came on the forest, because everybody has a fear. Oh my God, if I am going on that road, then that kidnapper will come and take everything from me. I will not go. For that purpose, nobody is coming on the place. But that man, that thief is thinking, oh my God, if today nobody is coming, then I cannot get money. If money I am not getting, then how can I give the Vaishnav Seva? How can I give the Krishna's devotees devotional service? And you know, every day the devotee, Krishna's devotee, without imitations, they automatically coming on the right time, because devotees knows automatically their Krishna's Harikatha would be happen, Kirtan would be happen, chanting bhajan would be happen, and prasadam also would be happen. So automatically they are coming on the right time. So he is thinking, oh my God, all Krishna's devotee is there sitting at my home, and today nobody is coming on that road, and I cannot steal the money, and I cannot give Vaishnav Seva. Oh my God, now what I have to do, what I have to do. He is thinking. Suddenly, as you know, Krishna is lying inside the water. His form name is Narayana. Narayan, one of the form. So Narayana means Nar plus Ayan. Nar means a person is lying inside the Ayan, means water. Okay. So his name is Narayana. This is the Krishna's form. So Narayana has different types of another body, like Kshirodakshai Vishnu. Narayana, one of the name is Vishnu. Original form is Krishna, and Krishna makes his same to same body in different. One of the name is Karnadakshai Vishnu, Garbhodakshai Vishnu, Kshirodakshai Vishnu. So Kshirodakshai Vishnu is staying in our material world as a Paramatma. He is maintaining everything. So that Vishnu is sleeping inside the water. And on the snake also one Vishnu is staying. So suddenly Vishnu is stand up. Vishnu is stand up. That Krishna suddenly stand up. So Radharani asked, what happened, Krishna? Why you are lying, you are sleeping very good. I was pressing your leg always. But why you wake up suddenly? Krishna told Radhe, I have to leave now immediately. Radharani told, where you are going? Krishna told, actually one of the devotee is giving my devotees devotional service, but he is a thief and he is sitting on the forest and he is waiting for a richest person because he needs some money and that money he will use for Vaishnav Seva purpose, my devotees devotional service purpose. So you are the Mahalakshmi. Krishna's Radharani is a Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi means whatever money we are washing, his goddess is Krishna, this Radharani. Radharani's blessing purpose, we can get the money. So Krishna told, hey Radhe, whatever jewelry you have, just you put on your body. because today somebody will kidnap us and we have to give everything to him. Why? Because whenever he will take from us that all materials like diamond, jewelry, he will spend for our devotees purpose. And who is doing devotees devotional service? I am going a servant of him. So today is the time to give lots of things to a devotee's devotee. So whatever you have, you take everything. Suddenly Radharani and Krishna, they put all beautiful costly jewelry to his whole body and going as a businessman. So Krishna took as a businessman and Radharani took as a businessman's wife. And they together, they had whole body as a jewelry and lots of money they had. And they came on the forest. Suddenly that kidnapper, that thieves, he took a special gun. He has a gun, and suddenly he came in front of Radha and Krishna. But thieves don't know that is a Radha and Krishna originally came in front of him. He don't know. Just he is looking like a businessman, like this. So suddenly that thieves put the gun in front of Radha Krishna and told, hey, whatever you have, you give it to me. You give it to me. Krishna told, okay, hey Radhe, whatever you have, just open. Just open everything. Suddenly Radharani and Krishna open everything and put a bag and put everything inside the bag, and that bag gives to his. Suddenly that thief is telling, you are looking so beautiful. The thief is telling to Radha Krishna, hey man, who are you? You are looking so beautiful. You lots of person I saw in my life, but your types of beautiful person I never saw in my life. Please you tell me who are you, because you gave lots of material to me which is very costly, like diamond, like gold, like lots of golden money you gave to me. But who are you? I need to see you. Please, you come as a original form, because you are not a businessman. So suddenly Krishna is thinking, oh my God, if anybody doing worship directly to Krishna, Krishna is not happy on him. But if anybody doing worship to Krishna's devotee, then Krishna coming as a original form in front of that person. So suddenly Krishna came on his original form with the flutes, and originally Krishna came and Radharani came. Suddenly that man is thinking, wow, today originally that Krishna, who is all devotees are chanting Hare Krishna, please you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare meaning Radharani. Hare, that Hare meaning Radharani, and Krishna meaning originally Krishna. So Hare Krishna means Radhe Krishna. So everybody chanting Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. And today originally Radhe Krishna came in front of that thieves. That thieves is thinking, wow, what a lack of me. Now the Krishna told to that thieves, hey man, I am appreciated on your devotions. Why? Because everybody is doing devotional service to me, but they are insulting to another person. That's why I am not accepting that devotions. But if anybody doing devotional service to my devotee in this life, I am coming in front of him. So you did devotional service to my devotee, that's why now I came in front of you. So now you asked what you need as a wish. What is your wish? I will fulfill your every wish today. So suddenly that man is telling to Krishna, hey Krishna, I don't want any wish at all. Because I have to go now, your lots of devotees waiting at our home. And I have to give devotional service to them. So if you wanted to give me, you please give me some devotions. As like I can remember you all the time. Sleeping time, eating time, walking time, wherever I am going, I don't want to think about other topic. I just wanted to think about you. So please you give me that bliss, like all the time I can think about you. Krishna told, wow, what a wish. Okay, tathastha. All right, you can take. Suddenly Krishna hid from there. And suddenly that man came and he went to his home. Suddenly that man is washing, his wife is waiting in front of the door. So man told, but nobody was there. So man told to his wife, what happened? Today nobody came? Wife is telling, yeah, everybody came today. You came just before, from morning to till now, you work, you gave lots of devotional service to every devotee. And they are full stomach, they went to the home after eating. And you told just you are going for taking shower purpose, and now you came and you are asking, nobody came. So the thief is thinking, oh my God, I was in the forest, then who came, insulted me at our home? I think Krishna came. It means Krishna took his form. He was there in the thief was there in the forest, but Krishna came as a thief's look, and he did all devotional service to all devotees on that day. Even he took prasadam also. He put for that thief's purpose on that room. Suddenly that man is crying, wow, Krishna came as a original God in front of me in the forest, and that same Krishna at the same time he came at our home as a my form, and he did lots of devotional service to all devotees. What a great our Krishna. So from that time he stopped to stealing material, he stopped to stealing thieves. He chanting Krishna's name and he went to Vrindavan. After that, after long time, after one day he is chanting Krishna's name, suddenly he was stopped his death. Actually he went for death and Krishna came and took to his Goloka Dham. Tell Radhe, Radhe. So the question is, if Krishna can give bliss to that person, why Krishna will not bless to us? We are not a thieves. He was a thieves, but Krishna also gave blessing to that thieves also. But we are not a thieves. We are a devotee. Then why Krishna will not bless to us? Of course Krishna will bless. What we have to do? We have to do devotional service to Krishna's devotee. After you see what can be happen in your life would be totally changes. Whatever you need automatically will come in front of you. As like Krishna and Radharani is prepared everything for the thief's purpose. But his mentality was another. Why? Because he is stealing and offering to all devotees. But we will not do on this way. What we have to do? We have to do our hard work. And whatever we will earn, we can offer to Krishna's devotee. Then Krishna would be more and more happy. And Krishna told, whoever doing Krishna's devotional service, he is getting all respect. He is getting all type, he is becoming as a richest person. Like he is getting lots of money in his life. If anybody doing Krishna's devotional service, he no need to worry about money at all. Automatically money will come to him. Respect, automatically respect will come. He will become a respectful person. Okay, and if anybody doing Krishna's devotional service, then he will get all types of success in his life. Whatever he will do, automatically he will get successful person. He will become a successful person. So all types of success, all types of respect, all types of facilities he will get. That's why we need to do Krishna's devotional service from the heart. Then automatically our life would be totally changes. So you tell Radhe Radhe. So today's Harikatha is here rest. If you have any questions, you can ask. I will try to give answer from the Radharani's place. Yeah.
Yeah, you told that all these three things will come automatically, success. But usually devotees, they don't interesting on these things. Yeah, I mean, it would be, sometimes it would be as a, how do I say in English, like...
You can tell in Deutsch,
my German. I mean, these three things would be, it could be not help, but opposite of help. What is opposite? Obstacle to us, yeah, thank you. Could be. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and could you answer to this?
Of course I can answer. Look, Krishna told, my devotee I am protecting in personally. Mm-hmm. For example, you are the devotee, you have a tulsi necklace, it means you are devotee. Whoever you are, that is doesn't matter. But Krishna accepted you as a devotee. So Krishna is taking care of Krishna's devotee as a personally. And before also I told, lots of the devotee is sometime going attracted on the material things as like a car. For example, a devotee was there in, he is one a Krishna devotee, but he was a poor, little bit poor. So he saw a beautiful car in the showroom. So he is thinking, wow, I have to buy that car. It was very lovely car. So minimum 2 years he did lots of hard work for buying that car. You think about it very carefully. 2 years without sleeping, without eating, without nothing. He just eat very less and work very lot and try to save lots of money for buying that car. His target was, I have to buy that car. After 2 years, he did lots of hard work, After he managed lots of money and he went to the showroom and he booked that car and he brought that same car. But problem is, when he brought that car, he forget about Krishna's name because he was a devotee. All the time he is thinking about the car. I have to take the car, I have to take the car, I have to take the car. Suddenly, he brought that car and he started to drive that car. And he coming on the road, suddenly a big truck came in front of that car. And suddenly that car came in front of the truck and they got accident. And that car was jumping, goes inside the lake and that man was died. You understand? So point is, sometime Krishna knows very well that my devotee is expecting something which is not good for my devotee. Okay, that's why sometime we can see we are doing wish, I need that, but Krishna is not offering to us. Why? For our goodness purpose. Because Krishna knows, if I am giving this, then he can die by this. And I don't want my devotee will destroy. Because Krishna told in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, I am protecting my devotee in different way always. When my pure devotee will destroy it, it means that wall would be destroyed. It means this earth can be destroyed, but Krishna's devotee will never be destroyed anymore. Because Krishna is always protecting to his devotee. So whenever a new dream is coming in our mind, we are thinking, if I am getting these things, I think I would be more happy. But no, these things can destroy our life. That's why Krishna is not giving some time. Krishna is not fulfilling our wish. So we have to remember one thing. Our mind, we no need to give on the material things. Our mind, our heart, our life, we have to give on Krishna's lotus feet. Then you see, whatever you need, whatever you want, that is Krishna will not give you. But whatever you need, automatically it will come to your life. So now you think one just matter. Whatever you need and whatever is your dream, whatever you want, that can be problem to your life. But whatever you need, automatically Krishna will give it to you. So whatever you want, better than whatever you need, that is if coming, then your life is success. You tell me, Radhe Radhe. So whenever a new thought is coming, just take your mind from there and put in front of Krishna's lotus feet. And you tell to Krishna, hey Krishna, this thought is coming to my mind. If it is good for me, then you give it to me. But if it is not good for me, I no need that. But I need one thing, I can do devotional service on your lotus feet. That wish you please fulfill. Then you see automatically whatever you need, whatever is required to your life, automatically it will come to you. You no need to worry. So say Radhe Radhe. Om Vansakalpatarubhasya Kripa Sindhubhya Bhutsa Paritanam Pavanebhyo Sarveshno Namo Namaha.